So guys, we are at BMW right now, and we're getting 2 cars. Oh my god, I'm excited. Guys, we are here. Ta-da-da. Yeah, bro. Clean, huh? Hard work pay off. So crazy, guys. Oh my god, smells brand new. Bro, I think I'm in love. Which one is yours? So we just arrived home, guys. It's a real mess now, but yeah, what I'm doing, I have some old BCA, so I will use them. I don't have any M-Wrap right now, so what I do is I'm using like the keto ice that I have to make like the flavor. So I have some L-carnitine and I have pure BCA, so it's a good mix. It's like the M-Wrap. And then glutamine as well, that I will take during my workout. And sorry. Yeah. That I received my mail from Fitt Mini today. I'll be good for the next 4 days. That's my pre-workout. Also have my post-workout shake just below, and we'll get some carbs at the gym. So we'll kill it today. Kill it. So right now, guys, we're having fun with the cars. I just want to see like the light. Ooh, I'm like a kid at Christmas. It's been a lot of years that I'm working for that car. Yeah, hard work pay off. But it's not just about the car, it's about like all the process that everything that we did to get it, you know. It's not just about like the material, it's just the feeling of accomplishment right now. And Kat, you go on the other side. No. No. No, you're not. We're doing size machine press, do 10 reps, then hold it for 3 seconds, then 5 reps. When I hold it again, 3 seconds, then 5 reps, and that's it. Don't take away my only hope. I know you left behind the world you know. If you're gone today, then you should know you won't see my face when you come home. Tell me I can wake up from this endless dream. I know that there is another world waiting for me. If I could find the pieces, this puzzle locked in me. The truth is lost in reason. Nothing is as it should be. Break down these walls. Your theories, but break with them. Your life no more. So tell me, is that the end? Don't take away my only hope. I know you left behind the world you know. If you're gone today, then you should know that you won't see my face when you come home. The never-ending stories you know were made for me. Complete misunderstanding. Oh, I live this way. I know you. Oh, it is. It's my name. All of the stories we made, but that is fine with me. Break down these walls. Your theories, but break with them. Your life no more. So tell me, is that the end? Don't take away my only hope. I know you left behind the world you know. If you're gone today, shoulder press machine was to do a vertical movement, vertical press, and recontract your upper chest. Onward with your shoulders like that. Just keep your elbow in front of you, and you squeeze the upper chest just right here. So try to show it. Go. Dragon Ball, Dragon Ball. If you can see, guys, that exercise is the best shit ever for your upper chest. So you don't work with your traps, you work with your upper chest only. Minor pectoralis. Hey guys, so I'm outside right now. Just took my camera in the car, and yeah, been a couple of big days lately. Did a lot of coding on Marc.com on the Team Fitt website. So tonight is relax day. I just worked out. Yesterday I wasn't able to work out because I worked too much. But yeah, tonight it's series time with the lovely cat over there. We'll see. And yeah, so now we'll eat. I'll take one of my meals. Just received today a meal from Fitt menu. I'll take that one. That is so good. Put that in the microwave for about 2 minutes 30. Right now, guys, the last video, I'll do my pre-bed shake. So I've got some casein. Got 40 grams of protein with that. 5 grams of glutamine, and that will be it. Yeah, people are sleeping here, so I don't want to make too much sound. And usually I always filter my water with a Brita, you know, just precaution to remove some chlorine. And that's it. So on that, guys, I'll go sleep. I hope you have enjoyed the workout and some clip of the day. And yeah, keep it up and keep me posted on how things are going just below. Always a pleasure to interact with you, like I said. So thanks for watching, guys, and see you soon.